Good morning. So today's the day that I'm testing the algebra end of course exam. So I will not be in the classroom. You do have a sub. For the would you rather today, just make sure that you do the attendance as are you on campus or are you at home. That just helps me with the attendance at the end of the day. And then your assignment, there's 3 separate EdPuzzles. All of them are fairly short and they're review from 7th grade science of things that you may or may not have gotten to at the end of the year last year with COVID starting, and it could be tested. So I thought I would do a couple of EdPuzzles that can kind of go over that material so that you could at least see that in form of review, but it may be new for you, so I'm not 100% sure if you've seen it or not. So those are the 3 EdPuzzles. One is on watersheds, one is on ecological successions, and then just a little bit on traits that usually does show up on the STAR test, but you should understand that it should be review, but it does usually show up on the test. So I wanted to just throw that in there as a review. And then you can do the Blooket at the end. So the EdPuzzles are more important, so do those first, but the Blooket you can do at the end if you have extra time. And so that is what you're going to be doing with the sub while I am out testing today. So those are there for you. So hopefully everything will go well, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.